Well, we've got more news to cover here at 5:30. Thanks for staying with us. I'm Dan Spieler.
And I'm Bir Shaledme. So new tonight, Governor Mike Braun has some doubts about the way one agency uses your tax dollars.
Yeah, the Indiana Economic Development Corporation focuses on corporate investments all throughout the state, and their work has been a hot topic here in recent months. Fox 59's Russ McQuaid tells us why the governor is now demanding more transparency.
This is the Indianapolis headquarters of Elevate Ventures and ground zero of Governor Braun's forensic audit of the company and its dealings with the Indiana Economic Development Commission. The IEDC claimed a record year in 2024, saying it attracted more than $39 billion in committed capital investment from current and potential employers of Hoosiers. For instance, Eli Lilly has vowed to invest $9 billion in its Boone County LEAP project, a deal brokered by the IEDC and aided by its affiliation with Elevate Ventures, a venture capital firm that the IEDC pays $6.5 million a year to manage state investments and help make it rain. But the new governor wants to know more about how Elevate earns its pay and whether its books and deals are on the up and up, and whether connected insiders are making money from those deals.
When you've got irregularities, or if it goes beyond just that, that'll all have to stand the consequences of what a thorough audit will generate.
Financial audits have been ongoing, and from a financial perspective, there have been no issues that have been raised. A forensic audit is a very different type of audit that's looking beyond the financials, but is looking into specific transactions as well as processes as well.
The IEDC has been the target of our own investigation into its opaque world of deal making. And lawmakers have long been unhappy with the secrecy that goes along with throwing tax abatements and incentives at companies looking to build or expand.
They did not present the companies' names, the deals of the contracts, the details, the abatements that will be offered by the locals, and they just showed up to the budget committee and asked for literally hundreds of millions of dollars over the course of the last 2 years.
Critics say the IEDC as a whole needs to be audited too, for the $1 billion worth of deals and the jobs they've promised that it's inked over the last 5 to 6 years.
And by the way, what is the return on investment? Because last time I checked, when I looked at the revenue forecast, over the last 5 to 10 years, we have not seen that significant increase in state income tax or state sales taxes.
Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.
We received a statement from Elevate Ventures, which says it will continue to operate with transparency and will participate in the audit to, quote, correct the record on factual inaccuracies and misrepresentations made by anonymous sources. Lawmakers have been focused on making some changes within IEDC for years now. They have introduced several bills looking to limit IEDC's abilities and calling for more transparency within the corporation. You can find all of our coverage, including exclusive investigations right now. Just search our website and search for Indiana Economic Development Corporation.